In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a loaded source in Google Notebook LM. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can manage your sources with ease. First, let's begin our journey by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Simply type in NotebookLM in the search bar. This will direct you to the official NotebookLM website where you can access your notebooks. Clicking on the NotebookLM website link will bring you to the main interface where Google's NotebookLM tool functions. Upon landing on the home page of NotebookLM, you'll notice a button that says, Try NotebookLM. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up the gateway to your recent notebooks, acting as a hub for all the resources and notes you've compiled. It's designed to be user-friendly and is quite intuitive, allowing you to manage your data efficiently. Once you're in, focus your attention on the Recent Notebooks section. From here, identify and select the notebook from which you wish to remove a source. This is where all your collated information resides, categorized neatly under each notebook for convenience. Next, turn your gaze to the lower left corner of the notebook interface, where the Sources section is located. This area contains all the sources you've previously loaded into the current notebook. It's a handy feature, especially when you're pulling together various strands of information for projects or extensive research. To proceed with deletion, you'll notice 3 vertical dots next to each source on the list. These dots are often referred to as the More Options icon, which provides additional actions you can perform. Clicking on this icon will display a menu of operations, one of which is Remove Source. This is the function you'll use to initiate the removal of the source from your notebook. Upon clicking Remove Source, you'll likely be prompted with a confirmation dialog, asking if you're sure about deleting the selected source. This step is crucial for preventing accidental deletions, a safeguard to help maintain the integrity of your compiled data. Finally, to complete the process, simply click on the Delete button in the confirmation prompt. This action formally removes the selected source from your notebook, ensuring that your notes remain clean and only populated with the most relevant information you need. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage the sources in your Google Notebook LM, ensuring your workspace remains organized and free of unnecessary clutter. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy note-taking.